So I see she's like taking that. Oh my god. I think that's the wrong shade of fuchsia. Oh my god. Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Najah Marie back with another video. And today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial, but not just any makeup tutorial. I'm going to follow a Bri Hall makeup tutorial. Now before I continue, if you guys have been liking my videos so far, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below. And without further ado, here goes nothing.
Art nerd and musician back here today with a makeup tutorial. One of my favorite brands. I've been wanting to do a one brand makeup tutorial forever.
Let me fill in my brows. I'm using Morphe's eyebrow pencil. Yeah, this is like a first for me. I've never done this before. I decided to challenge myself because I usually don't do glam makeup with eyeshadow and the like. I usually try to keep it all natural, but for this video, I decided to push myself. Ooh, she's going way too fast. She's going too fast. I'm still on my brows, girl. Brows are done, and she actually has a product that I have that it's not exactly the same thing. I have NYX's Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Y'all can see that. There we go. And I'll be using that to, though this might be a little bit too light for me to use for my brows. So instead, plan B, I'll be using Bobbi Brown's Instant Full Cover Concealer in the shade Golden. Okay. Okay. Just applying it to the lid and to the brow. And
sometimes I'll use one of those square looking brushes. You guys know I don't use the technical terms, but that is what I like. And then I go in on the top.
Wait.
Now I'm gonna take
Okay, no. So I'm still blending. Okay, take a damp beauty blender and literally blend this. Maybe I put too much water on, I don't know. But I am blending. I think I might have put too much water. But oh my god, this is actually... Okay. So she's setting.
Because we want to make sure that we have a nice clean base for our shadow.
Okay. So she's using a translucent setting powder, but like I have setting powder, but I'm not even sure if it's actually translucent. I don't think it is. So I'll be using the Zero Sebum. I don't know if I can see that. There we go. Zero Sebum translucent light powder from Etude House. Cause I don't have half of the stuff that she's got in this video. I have some of it, not all of it. And yes, I'm using the same sponge that I use to blend my concealer in. Fight me. Okay.
Modern Dreamer palette, y'all. Like, I am here for all these.
Okay.
Palettes.
Okay, so she's using that, what is that? Her Modern Dreamer by NYX palette, obviously. But I don't have that. So I do have this, however, their Ultimate little mini palette, which I'm not even sure if it has any of the colors that I need. I think it, I don't know. Let me see. Wait, what was that? Okay, so she's putting some kind of orangey looking shade, which I don't even know what kind of color that is. I think she said tangerine, so we just gonna apply that. I think this is tangerine, not entirely sure. This one here. Okay, so applying it like, and I'm literally doing this like in the middle of winter time. Like, these colors are so summery, fall-y ish. Like, I don't even know. Like, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing.
My eyelid, this part is all aligned where my lid creases.
Okay, I'm seeing the line.
That line that you do the transition color. Building right
Okay.
there, put in this strawberry color, like the inside of the strawberry.
Okay, so she's doing a strawberry.
Then you're gonna blend that right underneath that.
Okay, I don't know. Like, I think it's this one. You're just dabbing that. Oh.
Now, I did go a little high on this, but
Ooh.
it is okay. I
Ooh,
still have
okay, wait. Oh my god. Wow. This is not. Oh my god. This is not it. This is not it. I knew I should have went with that first one. Oh my god. This is not it. Now I'm gonna repeat that on the other side. I think I made it a little too, like, I know she has that NYX, the eyeshadow base thing, but I don't have that. So, instead, Milani eyeshadow primer.
the first eyeshadow base that was
Ooh.
white, I got in the pencil when I was in like 10th grade doing my makeup for homecoming. Okay, it's on my eye from shadow. And I was doing this mostly in real time so y'all can get an idea. Again, it's not gonna be super perfect, but also go see my cut crease hack video because I didn't use it this time. I want to show y'all, I know how to do it both ways, but I have a hack video for you.
And now we're back to the fuchsia. I think it's the same color. Let's see. Okay.
I'm just going in a diagonal line, and I'm following
And a
the outer corner of
diagonal.
my eye to the tail of my eyebrow, and then I'm just patting that in until it looks fairly blended. And I like to pat then blend out a little bit.
Wait. Oh my god.
Getting the colors laid down first, and then I go in and blend because I don't want to smear.
Okay. Still going too fast. So I see she's like taking that. Oh my god. I think that's the wrong shade of fuchsia. Oh my god. So going in a diagonal line, kinda. Blending it out ish, kinda. Blending it out. Oh, I do like these colors. Oh, this is really pretty.
Around my base too much. Then I'm going in again with that second pink, and isn't it crazy how
Second pink. Okay, just go a little too fast. So, this brush. He's just like tapping that all up on the. Okay.
Then I have this shimmery, like rosy pink that is
Okay,
a
no.
little bit more metallic that I'm adding into the inner corner, and I'm really building that up. You can spray your brush with a fixing spray if you want to get a little more of the metallic look. Then I'm taking this clean brush.
Ooh, no, no, stop. She's going too fast. Okay. And then she was saying some kind of like metallic shimmery peach, because I don't have that color in this palette. I will be using NYX's I Love You So Mochi, which is so cute. Okay. Peach metallic. This one to the inner corner, like she's doing. I don't even know if y'all can see this on camera, but in my little handheld ratchet looking mirror, it actually looks really, really nice. And now I'm just going to keep applying that till I probably could have sprayed it with some setting spray to make it more shiny. Ooh, 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 I really like this. Micellar water.
Off the excess around the eyes from the lid. Now I'm taking one of my current favorite primers. I actually wore this to a couple events, and it's the NYX Tiger Touch Primer, and I mixed.
Oh my god, girl. I see why she does the whole, oh, well, let me clean it up with micellar water. Let me do my eyeshadow first. And then I'll clean it up and then apply my face stuff on after. It makes it a lot easier.
This to a couple events, and it's the NYX Tiger
Girl.
Touch Primer, and I'm mixing that with some of the Wavy Glow in the shade.
Okay, so I don't have droppy foundation or that other primer that she's using. I do have NYX's Angel Veil. Ooh, why is it coming? Ooh. Ooh. Still white, still ashy. Okay.
No, it was my going life to grow up and be a glazed donut.
I would love to be a glazed donut, honey, but my skin would be just, my makeup would slough off my face.
My tips would be for color matching. I'm an exact match for what I am in the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. And I would make sure to set the areas where you get fine lines, because this is a dewy foundation. So
okay, so I have the Born to Glow foundation as well, but she has two. I only have one in the shade Nutmeg. Okay, just apply that to my face then. Okay, so we're just doing it like that. Highlighting and contouring.
It's the drugstore. I say people sleep on this because it's
She got three. I only have this one.
concealer in person. It doesn't dehydrate my eyes. I like to take a slightly lighter
And
shade
it's doing the
and
same.
then
Oh my god, stop.
everything I learned from
Oop.
Jackie
And then down the chin.
Aina.
Ooh,
But
Jackie!
yeah, I noticed that
Okay.
actually does give me a nice concealer gradient that looks very bright and glowing natural.
Okay, wait, because I forgot my nose. I forgot my nose. My cute button nose. I forgot all about my precious cute button nose. So, I'm gonna use this because this has like less stuff. Spritz, 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 spritz.
But all of them combined, I am telling y'all, like, just
Wait. So she applied some to like the inner on the eye.
And then I am using some
then
more
she's
of that yellow setting powder.
yellow setting powder. I don't.
Contouring and highlighting. And
Girl.
I like to use the contour in there. It's a really good shade for me where it's not overbearing or it doesn't look like a bruise or anything crazy, but it also doesn't not show up on me.
Girl.
Contour for black women can be a little tricky thing to find.
You think? I'm going to attempt to set everything with my Fit Me powder in Toffee. Ooh. I know. Like, what are you doing? You're covering up your contour. And I'm like, okay, done.
My NYX Born to Glow loose powder. So this is a glowing illuminator, and it's
A glowing illuminator.
I like this one because it looks like pink, but when you
Okay,
swatch it, actually swatches
so
so it has
don't have that, but
and I love that.
I have Fenty, so I will be using Fenty Beauty, her ooh. Got the don't have that. Don't have that.
They're very pigmented, and I actually already have all of most of the products you see in this tutorial. I already had, okay, except for the foundation, which is new, but I'm.
So next, I will be using CoverGirl's Exhibitionist mascara because I don't have the NYX one, the one that Bri has in her video. So I'm just gonna do my lashes with that, and I don't do lash inserts because they feel so weird on my skin, on my lashes, and I feel like my lashes have weight on them. I can't use that on my lips because my lips will break out. Thank you, sensitive skin. So instead, I will be using Revlon's The Gloss in Blissed Out. Okay guys, so this is the final look, which to be honest, I don't think I did that bad considering. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.